Okay, the difference here with the American style soups and the Spanish style soups is that you usually see that the chicken soup in the famous restaurants, really good Spanish restaurants, will have a little yellow tint to it. It'll look more yellow. It won't look light yellow or clear like with chicken soups like the Campbell or anything like that. It'll have a yellow look to it, and it's because it has things like saffron, which is a seasoning, or something called bijol. These are colorings, and also adds a little flavor to the soup, and we add it to our soups, okay? And we just don't take a whole one, but we can add a little drop like this, not much, just a little bit, or half an envelope. And if you want, and you want both in there, you don't want just the actual saffron, you can do the bijol and do a couple of stuff like that. And notice how orangey it is. It's like a dye. It looks like it's yellow, but it gives a little flavor to the soup. It adds a little color. Look what happened to the color. It became more yellow.